Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 11 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021. And today is Mobility Monday, so we will be working on a little bit of mobility, mostly in the shoulders and the hips. So what you need today is yourself, your mat, and you can grab a yoga strap. If you don't have a strap, you can also grab a belt or a scarf. So grab all those things and we will get started. So we're gonna start seated. You can kind of ground yourself into the mat. I just like to rock from side to side so that my hips are firmly planted into my mat. And we'll start here with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. And then sitting tall, we're just gonna start with some shoulder rolls here. So you'll start by rolling the shoulders up and back. I'm doing about 3 rounds of this. And then we'll reverse that direction, bringing the shoulders back and forward. And then we're gonna do some rotations in the shoulder. So you'll start by bringing your left hand out. The palm is facing down, it's not on the mat, just facing down. So we'll start by inhaling as you reach the arm forward and up. Once you reach the top, turn the palm towards the back of the room, and then exhale, bringing that arm back and down, and then you can bring your palm back to where it started. And we'll do that 3 times. So let's inhale, reaching the arm forward and up. Exhale as you turn the palm and reach the arm back and down. Round 2, inhale, arms come up. Exhale, turn the palm, bringing the arm back and down. Last time, inhale, arm comes up. Turn the palm, exhale, as your arm comes back and down. Roll that shoulder out. We're gonna move to the other side. So bringing that left hand down, so the palm is facing the mat, not on the mat, just facing. And then we're gonna inhale, reaching that arm forward and up. Once you get to the top, turn the palm. Exhale as you bring that arm down to the original position. And then inhale, arm comes up. Exhale as you turn the palm and reach the arm back and down. Inhale, arm goes up. Turn the palm, exhale down. Last time, inhale. Turn the palm and exhale down. And so this time we're gonna do that the opposite way on each side. And as you're doing it, just make sure that you're keeping the core stable, keeping the whole body stable. The only thing that you're trying to move is your arm. So we'll start with that left hand out again. And then you're gonna reach back, inhale. And then as you turn the palm forward, exhale, bringing the palm back down. 2 more times, inhale, reaching the arm back. Exhale as you turn the palm, reach the arm forward. Last time, inhale, reaching the arm back. Turn the palm, exhale, forward. And just roll that shoulder out. We'll move to the other side, bringing that right hand out. And we're doing the same thing here. So inhale as you reach the arm back. Exhale as you turn the palm and bring it forward. This side may be different. Inhale. My shoulder is a little wonky today. So that means that when I'm bringing my arm back, I have to turn it a little bit earlier. And down. And then rolling that shoulder out. And then from here, you can grab the strap that you have, your strap, your belt, or your scarf. And if you have a buckle on your strap like me, just make sure you have that near your hand. You don't want it to flop everywhere and hit yourself. So take your strap, and we're gonna have the strap about wider than your shoulders, so a bit wider than your shoulders. This just gives you room to move freely through this exercise. So having the strap in front of you, we're going to inhale as we reach the arms up, and then exhale as we bring the arms down behind you. Now, as you do that, you may have to bring the arms out wider depending on your shoulder flexibility right now. And then inhale, bringing the arms up, and exhale forward. We're going to do that 4 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, coming forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming forward. Last round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming back. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, coming forward. And just roll the shoulders out. We're going to take that same strap, and you can have the same width apart for your hands. And we're going to go to some side bends here. So just keeping the arms up, and then just bringing that left hand down to touch the mat as my strap hits me in the face. And then inhale as you bring the strap up, and exhale as the right hand comes down and touches. So we're going to do that 4 more times on each side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, strap comes down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, strap comes down to the other side. Inhale, arms up. Strap comes down. Inhale, arms up. Strap comes to the other side. Inhale, arms up. Strap comes down. Inhale, arms up. Strap to the other side. Inhale, arms up. Strap to the left. Inhale, arms up. Strap to the right. Inhale, arms up. Strap to the left. And inhale, arms up. Strap to the right. And then release and just roll the shoulders out. Shoulders are getting some work today. So we're going to do one more shoulder exercise here. So you can have the arms up again. This time you're going to bring that left hand down to the mat. Right arm is up. And we're just going to do some circles here. So think about bringing your right arm behind you, lifting the left, and then touching the right arm down, or the right hand down, and lifting the right. You'll do the same thing coming forward. So bringing that left hand forward, lifting the right hand, touching down with the left, and lifting the right hand up. So we're going to keep doing those circles. We're going to do that 3 times, and then we'll switch directions. So reaching that right arm back, bringing it over and lifting the left, and reaching the left arm forward, bringing it over, lifting the right. Right arm comes back. Left arm lifts. Left arm reaches forward, and right arm lifts. One more time. Right arm reaches behind. Right hand comes down, left arm lifts, and left hand comes forward and down, and right arm lifts. All right, staying on this side, we're gonna switch that direction. So 3 times on this side as well. So this time you're gonna bring that right arm forward and down as the left arm lifts, and then bring the left arm back and down as the right arm lifts. I'm gonna shorten my hands for this strap. So 3 times here. Right hand comes forward and down, left arm lifts. Left hand comes back and down as the right arm lifts. Again, right arm forward, left arm up. Left arm back and down, right arm lifts. One more time. Right arm forward and it comes down as the left arm lifts. Left arm comes back and down as the right arm lifts. And then reach both arms up. Exhale forward. Roll the shoulders out. And then we're going to put the strap off to the side. And we are going to do a little bit of a seated cat and cow. And I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing. So sit in an easy pose, Sukhasana. Sit tall. And then we're going to do seated cat and cow here. So inhale as you pull the chest forward, arch the back just a little bit as you look up towards the ceiling. And then exhale as you curl the back, bringing the chin to the chest. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. And then coming to sit, we're just going to do some circles with the upper body. So start by bringing your upper body over to the right. And then bring it forward, over to the left, and back. One more time, over to the right. Bring it forward, over to the left, and back. Once you get back to the right, we're going to switch directions. So bringing that upper body back to the left, forward, and to the right. One more time, back to the left, forward, and to the right. And then coming to sit straight. I'm going to turn back towards the long edge of my mat. And we'll do one more exercise for our hips. So you can bring your hands behind you. Bend your knees and place the feet on the mat. So here we're kind of in like a little Malasana squat, seated. And we're just gonna move through something called windshield wipers. So think about the windshield wipers on the car. That's what we're gonna do with our legs. So we're gonna let the knees fall over to the right. And then up and over to the left. Let's do that 3 more times. So knees come up and over to the right. And up and over to the left. Coming back to the right and to the left. Last time, over to the right. And we'll come over to the left and stay. Just bring your upper body to face the left side of the room. You may feel sensation on the outer right thigh down into the hip. And keeping your hands down and your left leg where it is, we're just gonna move through this right leg. So think about bringing that right knee up and then bringing it back down. And then bringing it up. And you may find a little movement with the upper body and back down. Just moving through the hip. Bringing the knee up and back down. Last time, bringing that knee up and back down. And then bringing the hand behind you. We're coming back to our windshield wipers. So coming back to center. And then we're gonna start, actually, to the other side. We're gonna start over to the left first, and then coming up and over to the right. 3 more times. Inhale and exhale. Over to the left and to the right. To the left and to the right. And this time staying there, bringing the upper body to face the right side of the room. Again, maybe you feel sensation in the outer left thigh into the hip. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So lifting that left knee up and down, up and down. As you keep the right leg down, left knee comes up and down and up and down. And then we're coming back to center, back to our seated position, Sukhasana, easy seated pose, and just sitting tall on the spine, reaching through the crown of the head. You have the hands rest on the knees, and we're gonna end here with our 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Thanks for joining me today for Mobility Monday, and I hope that your shoulders feel great and ready to tackle the rest of your day. And I hope to see you tomorrow for day number 12 of our 30 days of yoga journey.